Okay, then.
It's a can of Spam! No!
What's up? We're here with another part of this, another episode of this game.
Little
Big Panda 3. Shut up! No, you can talk.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. I'm like all. Then again, you're the comedy relief. But our competition starts now.
I'm fun, really good.
You gotta be no!
You gotta be no.
No, you're
Papa!
just gonna die. I'm not gonna plug it in.
What? I'll slap you.
A great victory
Me.
for
I
health and
actually
safety.
won. That was
That's
easy.
me.
Thrilling ride nonetheless. This, old chum, is Stygian Manor, the final resting place of those dreaded titans. Nana Pud, the crazy crone, lives here. I suspect to be the prophetic liberator of those diabolical denizens.
Do you think that she's gonna be like a boss?
No, she's me one.
I mean, she's going to release them.
What if she's
You
actually
must get
going?
up there and stop her. Me? Oh, well, I've got eggs to boil. But rest assured, I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
Not right behind you. Give you a bit of space, obviously. But safely behind you. Pip pip.
Okay. Okay, Ben.
This will be fun.
We're going to a spooky.
This sounds spooky.
Wait a second.
What?
This is Little's mansion. We got like these guns that can suck and blow, and we're
It's
going
like
to a really
Loogie Moonshine.
yeah. It's like Loogie's mansion
Loogie Moonshine.
because we can't do copyright. It's copyright things.
Moogus Moogus. My sucus.
No.
I'm in a circus.
You already got some.
I'm Adam Circus.
No.
You're so dumb, Brady! Not as dumb as me, though. Dude, I'm so cool. Do you see my dankus, my stankus? Oh, my dank! Oh, dude, I did a back or front flip. I don't know.
I got it.
I'm so confused. I'm just doing flips and stuff.
Do I need to get this?
Wait.
I need this. No, I can't see. Whatever, I got it. Goodbye, my friend.
Bye, my friend.
I'm winning. Get back.
Dang, I almost killed you.
How do we get up there? Uh-oh. You're slowing down.
Bye. Hi.
Alright.
Hey, wait, stop.
No.
I'm gonna die.
Ah!
I'm a lot better at that than I don't know why.
No, you're getting some. No!
You're way ahead of me.
Not for long.
Bye. Bye. I'm probably gonna be the one that dies.
Dude, I finally got up.
Come on.
I know it. Come closer. Come closer. What's with all those stupid cats? Wait. What's
Yeah,
this?
I see. Just get over here.
No, I need this stuff. I gotta beat you. Hello, kitty.
You want a sticker?
Better not waste that.
Okay. I just wanted some stickers for a second. You're such a hacker, dude.
I'm not an idiot.
Are you calling me an idiot? That's offensive to all idiots.
Ah!
Who's the idiot now?
Still
Both
you.
of us.
Still you.
No, both of us. You're offensive. You're offending my culture. This is cultural appropriation.
It's time for me to get first again.
This is digital blackface. This is digital black.
It won't let me climb.
Give it to me, nerd.
No. You're bad at this game.
I am too, so. Just unequip it.
I did. Dude. It won't let me climb.
Ready for this? Maybe you're not supposed to climb it. Just think of that. Maybe you're supposed to hit this thing up here.
Oh, it's too hot to touch.
Yeah, but we need 2 people. Most likely. Please say it's 2 people. You're gonna have to do it. You ding!
I made it.
When is there gonna be a checkpoint? Jeez.
I know. You expected us to get this far without a checkpoint? Oh my gosh.
I'm getting bored.
I'm trying to find. Oh, it's a checkpoint.
Wow.
Right there.
You're gonna get the stuff before you get me. Thanks. Good friend right here.
I gotta win this competition, man. I've been got.
I'm still alive.
Uh-oh. Well,
Okay.
you both died. No! No! No!
Bye. Goodbye, my friend. Oh, I'm gonna not. Stop it!
Dude, we didn't get that one piece. That annoys me.
Dang. I almost got you there. With that.
Wait, what's this way? What's this way? Sky, which this way?
No, it's not. Oh.
You lost your chance.
I don't care. I'm not playing for the points. I'm playing for the enjoyment. I'm
Sure.
playing because I'm trying to have a good time with my friend. But apparently, my friend cares about winning more than he cares about having a good time.
She looks ugly.
Looks like you. Like, strangely like you. Oh. Okay. I don't actually.
Wait!
What? I don't know what you're supposed to do.
Oh. Fine.
I saw that before you did, and you didn't do it. I was trying to do it, so that was stupid.
Uh-oh. Well.
Oh, shoot. Oh, dude. Shoot.
Oh, Ben!
It's not boosting! Oh, there it is.
Yeah, you're not after the points. I'm back.
What? You're ahead of me. That makes sense.
Wait. You're gonna want that cat. My cat face.
Why?
Bye, my friend.
Goodbye, my friend.
What? Are the cats exploding?
Yes, goodbye. I keep on thinking I'm you. It's not.
What's a checkpoint? Is that a cat? What the? Whoa!
Oh, I thought I was.
The cats
you.
explode!
I keep on thinking that I was you.
The cats still explode. This is a waste of cats.
Okay. Skip.
Yay! We still died.
Nice.
We need to stick together, okay?
No.
We need to be honest to each other so we can actually not die in one of these ways.
Brady,
What?
I need food. I'll be back.
You're hungry right now?
Entertain my audience.
You're hungry!
Entertain my audience.
Okay, have fun.
Or I'll kill you.
Well, I kinda need you. Right, I'm already beating him. Yeah. The game's so bright, I don't like it. Whee! I didn't like that. Hurry up, man! Did I just die? I'm an explorer, hurry up! Hurry up! There's something over here. Ah! I found a ghost.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, guys? Scare's here. There's something in here. Get over here.
Scare's is awesome.
I lost my gun.
He was mean, but like, now I'm in love with him.
How did you get up there?
St. Nicholas Charm.
St. Nicholas Cage.
Cage. He was supposed to be a Superman. Did you know that?
No, I did not know that.
And also, yeah, he was gonna play Superman in a movie.
Wait, what's this way? What's this way?
And he played
Ben,
Superman
what's this way?
in Teen Titans Go
Get over
to
here.
the movies.
Get over here.
So it's kind of like a nod to the fact that he was gonna play. Yeah.
Oh, no. No, no.
Isn't that funny? Isn't that cool?
I need the gun. Keep on equipping the gun for me. Whose mansion is this? Whose power is this big? This looks like a boss fight. Nope, nope. If I thought anything was a boss fight, it's definitely this. No, I'm not. Oh no, it's a pot and pan robot.
What's going on?
I don't know what I'm doing. Are we supposed to jump on the hand? Oh no, we're supposed to jump
No,
over.
we're supposed to make the things hot, so when the hand touches it, it hurts.
Oh, well, thanks for telling me that. Oh no! No!
I am a big dude. Please touch my shoe. My shoe?
The music.
Hey guys, how you doing?
What the? Dang it! You're a loser! You lunatic!
No!
No, you gotta touch it! Touch it.
Oh wait, oh no, 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 no!
I'm winning!
I know you're winning, I don't like it!
What? I didn't know I won.
No! I'm away.
I like this music, it's really cool.
Whoa!
Kind of like me. I'm using the jetpack!
Whee!
Do you have a jetpack?
Jump! Yeah.
I wonder if you can get a jetpack. Ah, Brady, it wasn't hot, you idiot. It really hot about this, Daddy. I'm gonna keep this.
No! No, 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 no! Ah, no!
No, get out. Okay, good, it's hot.
He's dead!
I win! I did it!
No.
Brady didn't.
No, you didn't.
Did I win? I did.
We lost lives. Sucks.
What?
We lost lives.
Yeah, we did.
We lost lives. People are...
I feel like I have something in my throat.
What you got in there?
What?
What you got in there?
I don't know. Mexicans?
So we're about to find out what...
Dude, I wish I could have some, like, tacos and burritos in there. It'd be awesome.
Yeah, pulls out a full-on, like, turkey dinner. How did you... I look ticked.
Hello, Mumsy.
Sorry about that. It feels like there's something in my throat and I can't get it out. Like a little tiny thing.
You can't trust a word this boy says. He's
Oh.
Richard. And he was such a lovely baby.
Oh,
She's ugly.
Mumsy, it's time.
He's
for
his...
rest. Imagine
She's his mother!
with all that creativity.
Wait, what?
Never.
Never. Don't you remember what your father said?
You must never, ever.
Lick my fingers.
Oh, that need.
Okay, darling.
It's a can of Spam! No!
Dude.
You fool.
looks like.
I knew he would become evil!
Really? No. With the Titans under our control, we can make Bunkum the happiest, jolliest picnic spot in the whole Imagisphere. And I couldn't have done it without you, old chum.
What?
Come,
Just
Titans.
when we're
Let
friends.
us make Bunkum.
I ain't friends with you. You're ugly. You're a freak. He's gonna die. And it's gonna be Earl Grey tea. I like tea. Do you like tea?
What's going on?
You like tea, Brady? No.
Sorry.
I like tea. I like coffee. I like everything.
Slight change of plan. I think I
I'm eating chips.
He's become...
Farewell, dear friend.
There we go.
No!
What
We
happened?
fell off the tower!
Oh no! I'm not paying attention. I'm too busy.
Can we be the heroes now? I want to be the little puppet boy.
Yeah, I want to be a hero. I need a hero. I don't know the lyrics to this song. Suck on my butt and lick on my thumb. But not for too long.
What have you done? Leading my Newty astray? Oh, Newty.
Yeah,
He never done no one no harm. He don't know no better. You got to save him from himself. And on the way, you'll save Bunkum too. Come on,
I hate her.
follow me.
She makes me sad.
You can't defeat the Titans by yourself.
Well, yeah.
Can you? I've seen more muscle on a jelly deal. You'll need to awaken Bunkum's old heroes. Hot top,
roasting you.
toggle and swoop.
Brady.
What?
It won't
Call
be
me
easy,
weak.
but your quest begins.
She didn't call me weak
in
because I'm not there.
Bunkum's great swamp.
Deep facts.
Wow. A root bar.
So we need to wake up the
Put it
heroes.
through the limit.
We need to wake up the heroes.
I need. Ow!
Die.
Has this been enough for another episode, Brady?
Not yet.
Dang. I wanted to make a man named Jeff into my family of family.
Fine, we can end it.
And what?
End the video now.
Is it good?
It probably
Is it
will.
over 10 minutes?
Definitely.
Okay, that's good enough for me. Bye.